can bring their model or start with the NEMO pre-trained language models, ranging from GPT-8, GPT-43, and GPT-530 billion parameters.
Generative models, like NVIDIA's 43B foundational model, learn by training on billions of sentences and trillions of words. These generative models require expansive amounts of data, deep AI expertise for data processing and distributed training, and large-scale compute to train, deploy, and maintain at the pace of innovation. The quickest path is starting with one of NVIDIA's state-of-the-art, pre-trained foundation models. With the NEMO service, organizations can easily customize a model with p-tuning to teach it specialized skills, like summarizing financial documents, creating brand-specific content, and composing emails with personalized writing styles. Connecting the model to a proprietary knowledge base ensures that responses are accurate, current, and cited for their business.